Dear students, to your English language class, lesson number 2, the past, part 2. So, here we are having some exercises. That is exercise number 2. We have to see these words given in the box and we have to fill accordingly. See, I am dash dinner for the guests. So here you have to see which word is the most suitable here. I was dash for the guest. So dinner, which word you have to see that is related to dinner? So that is cook. So it is given here was and cook is the main verb. So with was, which form of the verb you have to take? That is present continuous. In past continuous, where we use was plus ing form of the verb. So it will be I was cooking dinner for the guests. Second sentence, Manohar had from Russia 2 days back. Here we are talking about an action which has completed 2 days ago. That means here we will take past perfect. So it will be Manohar had arrived from Russia 2 days back. Same way, third sentence, both Shalini and Astha from their jobs. That means here no other helping verb is there, only one blank is there. That means we have to put here the simple past form, that is the second form of the verb, resigned. Both Shalini and Astha resigned from their jobs. D. The police had been. Dear students, you can see had been we use in past perfect continuous tense. So here we have to take ing form of the verb. So the police had been interrogating the man for 5 hours. Question number E. Aishwarya was performing. Was is there, so we have to take here ing form of the verb, that will make it past continuous. Aishwarya was performing when the chandelier fell on the stage. Now here we can't use that chandelier was falling on the stage because it will fell. Here we have to take fell. That is simple past, the action which is completed, and the action which was going on, for that we have used past continuous, and the action which was completed at that time, that is second form of the verb, that is fell. Now F. While the father was the clothes. So dear students, we will search here which word is related to clothes, that is wash. So while the father was washing, was is given here, so ing form of the verb will make it past continuous. While the father was washing the clothes, the mother ordered lunch. Here no was is there, so here we have to understand that here simple past form of the verb will be taken. So the mother ordered lunch. Question number G. Radhika had dash Persian when she was dash in university. So Radhika had is given here, that means it will take past perfect form. So Radhika had third form of the verb, that is here learnt Persian when she was studying in university. Question number H. Before I moved to Jaipur. Here also no auxiliary or helping verb is given here like had or had been. So we have to understand that here simple past form of the verb will be used, that is moved. And same way here it is written had been. So with the had been we have to take the ing form of the verb. That is I had been living in Surat for 2 years. Here you can see the period is given, that for how much time he was living there. So this is all about the exercise. See this and understand that how we have to choose the correct answer if they are given in the box. Now next exercise. Complete the following sentences using appropriate verbs of the tense given in the bracket. So dear students, here it is written I at his joke, and you have to fill the blank with the past continuous form of a verb. So here joke is written. So when you listen or hear a joke, what do you do that time? Yes, sure, you are going to laugh at that joke. So here you will use I was laughing at his joke. Now, second question, the nurse had applied ointment on my wounds. Here we have to use past perfect. So it will be had applied. Now, third question, we have to use here simple past. So simple past, you all know that we have to just use this past tense form, that is second form of the verb. The girls showed the trophy with pride in their eyes. That is the second form of the verb. Now, third question is Mansa. Past perfect tense we have to use here. So had and joined the music classes last year. That is past perfect. Had and then third form of the verb. Now next is past continuous. Past continuous you all know, that is was or were plus ing form of the verb. The teacher was checking all the papers throughout the night. That is past continuous. The action was not completed. Now past perfect tense here we have to use. So the principal had instructed the new rules in the beginning of the academic session. Now question number G, here we have to use two types of tenses. First is past perfect continuous and the second is simple past. So for past perfect continuous we have to use here the singers had been practicing. The singers had been practicing for 2 weeks. For is also used here. Duration, I have already told you that when we write or when we use past perfect continuous, we have to show the period also. Now, before they performed in the competition. So, before they performed in the competition is the simple past tense. Now, question number G. When Vaibhav, here no helping verb is given. When Vaibhav reached the restaurant, second past simple past we have to use here. So, it will be reached. His friends, and then we have to use past perfect. His friends had already left for their homes. So these are all that we have to use our own words with the given form of the verbs. So this was this exercise. I hope you have understood this exercise. Now let's go to question exercise number 5. That is, frame sentences on the situations given below using tenses and verbs mentioned in the bracket. That means a type of tense is given here and a verb is given here, and given situation, on the given situation you have to frame another sentence. Now, Manu went to bed at 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. I woke him up at 4 p.m. Here you can say what is the difference between the time. From 10 p.m. to 4 p.m. How much hour it is? 6 hours. So, and here we have to use past perfect continuous. That means he was sleeping from 10 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. So, Manu had been sleeping for 6 hours. Here it should be 4 a.m. Sorry. For 6 hours before I woke him up at 4 a.m. Now, here we have used this before and this 6 hours and the past continuous form of the past perfect continuous form of the verb. Manu had been sleeping for 6 hours before I woke him up at 4 a.m. Now, second question, here we have to use past perfect continuous and read. She gave the book to Raghu on Monday. The book was still with him on Wednesday. So, that means Raghu was having that book from Monday to Wednesday, that is 3 days. So, here we will use the form, the verb read in the past perfect continuous tense. So, it will be Raghu had been reading the book. Raghu had been reading the book. Now, the period we will put here, that is 3 days, for 3 days. Now, next question, we have to use here past perfect form of the verb with the verb change. I visited my school last month. I could not recognize it. So, here I am framing this sentence, my school which I visited last month. Now, past perfect had changed so much that I could not recognize it. Now, we had to go to Jubilee Hills, which stood at the bus stand. We stood at the bus stand. Sorry, here it will be we stood at the bus stand. And here we have to use past continuous form of the verb with wait. So here we will frame it. We were waiting at the bus stand to go to Jubilee Hills. He put the pizza in the oven. After an hour, the kitchen was filled with smoke. Now, here we have to use the verb forget and the past perfect form of this sentence. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. Perfect form of the verb. The kitchen was filled with the smoke because he had forgotten the pizza in the oven for an hour. Here the duration for how much time he had forgotten the pizza in the oven. So here we are filling it. The kitchen was filled with smoke because he had forgotten the pizza in the oven for an hour. Now, next question. The police saw the burglar in the evening. They caught him next morning. And we have to use here past perfect continuous form of the verb chase. The police saw the burglar at what time? In the evening. And they caught the burglar in the next morning. So what is the duration from evening to the morning? So here we will use the police had been chasing the burglar. The police had been chasing the burglar since last evening before they caught him in the next morning. Now, question number G. Yasmin suggested another movie. She already knew the story of that movie. Past perfect of watch. Yasmin had already watched that movie. So, she suggested another movie. Now, next question. As I entered the room, I saw that Ria had brushes and a color palette in her hands. We have to use the past continuous form of the verb paint. That is, Ria was painting with brushes and a color palette when I entered the room. Now, exercise 6. Complete the following sentences using the tense given in the bracket. We have to frame the situation according to the given sentence here. In the given tense, the child was crying at the toy shop because, and we have to frame a sentence in past perfect tense. So the child was crying at the toy shop because her mother had not purchased the doll for her. Had not purchased the doll for her, it is in past perfect. Now, second question B. We had been traveling for 3 days before we reached Delhi. We have to use the sentence in simple past. So, this is simple past. We reached Delhi. Now, question number C. The roads in my colony were blocked. The roads in my colony were blocked as. We have to use a sentence in past perfect. So, what I had used here? As it had rained heavily yesterday. So, dear students, you can use sentences of your own, but that sentences should be in these given tenses. That you have to take care. Now, next question. I wanted to say goodbye to you, but now here we have to use past continuous. So, for past continuous, were and to you, but you were talking to someone. Now, next question. Here the sentence was given when she reached the hospital, and we have to frame a sentence in past perfect continuous. So, what we will use here? That is, when she reached the hospital, the doctor had been treating her brother. The doctors had been treating her brother when she reached the hospital. That is past perfect continuous. Now, he lived in his village. Simple past we have to use. He had been writing short stories for 4 years. That is in past perfect continuous. When he used to write this story, when he lived in his village. This is the sentence in simple past tense. Now, next question. I woke up before 10 o'clock because I had slept early last night. I had slept, it is given in past perfect tense. Now, Athira was so tired. Why she was tired? So, we have to use a sentence in past perfect continuous. So, here I have used she had been working hard to complete her presentation. So, she was tired. Now, let's come to the exercise number 7. She had been talked to her mother for 30 minutes. So, dear students, what is wrong here? Had been is given here. So, you understand very well. When had been is given there, we need here an ing verb, form of the verb. So, the correct form will be she had been talking to her mother for 30 minutes. Now, same way, his success was dash a lot to his family and friends. So, here the sentence is wrong. His sentence was meant a lot to his family and friends. That is in passive voice. He was entered the building when I saw him yesterday. So, dear students, he was entered. It does not give any sense. So, what it will be here? He was entering the building when I saw him yesterday. D. When you becoming the principal of the school, I am the first one to congratulate you. This is totally wrong. You can see this. When you become the principal. So, what will be the correct answer? When you will become the principal of the school, I would be the first one to congratulate you. So, these all are the exercises. Now, let's come to the next question. Suraj has paid the electricity bill a week before he leaves for Guwahati. Now, here also present tense is wrong and here also. So, what it will be? Suraj had already paid the electricity bill a week before he left for Guwahati. What will be here? Left. Same way. While the deer drank water from the pond, the tiger was slowly come towards them. It is also wrong and it is also wrong. So, the process of drinking water, it cannot finish in a second that you can say that yeah, they drank water. It is not finished at that moment. They were drinking the water when the tiger was coming towards them. So, what will be the correct answer here? That while the tiger were drinking water from the pond, while the deer were drinking water from the pond, the tiger was slowly coming towards them. Now, next question. You had telling me. See, is it totally incorrect? You can see with had, how can we use an ing form of the verb? Here we have to use the third form of the verb. You had told me that Balbir had already sent the mail to her. So, this one is the correct sentence. Sarika has been waited for him for 4 hours at the airport before she finally booked a cab. So, what will be here? Sarika has been waiting. This is wrong. Waited has been. Whenever we are using the perfect continuous form, we have to take care that there should be ing form with has been or had been. So, here it will be Sarika has been waiting for him for 4 hours before she booked a cab. So, this exercise is also finished. Now, let's see next exercise. This is not exercise, this is the example, the sentences to use them in different types of tenses. Let's see. When we have to use simple past tense. So, in simple past, see simple, this is simple and past. So, it will be I studied English yesterday. Here you can see no other auxiliary verb is there, only second form of the verb is shown here, that is studied. And the same sentence for past, that is past continuous, will be was plus ing form of the verb, that is I was studying English. Okay, now the third tense is past perfect. The action is completed at that moment. So here had plus third form of the verb, that is I had studied English. And same way past perfect continuous, when we write, that is I had been and then ing form of the verb studying English. I had been studying English. So same way we can see simple present tense. So here also we have to see that I study English, first form of the verb with I. But when we use first form like he, she or the name of any person, that time we have to take care that we will write here studies. Like when we have to say he studies English or Neha studies English, that means we will add es or s with the verb when we write any sentence in simple present with singular subject. Now continuous, present continuous, that is I am studying English. So according to the subject it will be changed. When we have to write we, when we will change the subject as we, then it will be we are studying English. Okay, now present perfect tense, here I have studied English. I have, here also is a change that you have to understand. When the subject will be the singular, that is we are using have. When the subject is plural, we always consider I as a plural subject. So when here he, she or the name of any person will be written, so that time we will use here has. So what is the structure of present perfect tense? That is subject plus has or have plus the verb, third form of the verb. Same way, perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Simple future, I will study English. Will plus first form of the verb. Now, second, future continuous tense. Will be. What we will use? Will be plus ing form of the verb. Future perfect, will have plus third form of the verb. Will have plus third form of the verb. That is future perfect tense. Now, the last, future perfect continuous tense. Here we will use I will have been, then ing form of the verb and then the object. I will have been studying English. This is future perfect continuous. So now I hope you all have understood the structure of all the 12 types of sentences in the 3 tenses. So here is the picture that you have to see. You have to see very, very carefully, and then you have to frame 12 sentences. That means 4 sentences in present tense, 4 sentences in past tense, and 4 sentences in future tense. So first example I am giving here that you have to write that is your assignment, that is your homework, how you will see this. Okay, now so first example, what you can see here, in simple present tense we can use here the sun shines brightly. That you can say here in simple present tense, here the sun shines brightly. Okay, now simple past if you will use here. So what you will use here? Simple past. All the children played happily in the park. All the children played happily in the park. Now in future tense, in simple future tense, what you will use here? These children will come tomorrow again to the park. This is future, simple future. So same way all other 3 types of present, past and future we have to use by seeing this picture. Now, this is the recap. That let's have the summary of this whole chapter. That is, the form of a verb that expresses the time of an action or event is called a tense, which express the action at what time any event or action is taking place. The three times of an action are past, present and future. The past can be expressed by using verbs in the following tenses. Simple past. The example, Reshma came out of the exam. So dear students, just don't forget that here in simple past we don't have any auxiliary verb. But we are having auxiliary verb when we make negative or interrogative, that is did. Which auxiliary verb we will use here? Did. Now, second type of past tense is past continuous tense. Sita was watering the plants in the garden. And here this is singular subject, so we are using here was. When it will be a plural subject, then we will use here were. That is, the children were playing in the garden, like that. Now, past perfect tense. The third tense is past perfect tense. Abdul had helped all the students with their doubts. Had plus third form of the verb. So here we have to see that whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to use had only here. Now, fourth, past perfect continuous tense. That is, the action was still going on in that time. So before I begin, that is the simple past tense, my work here. I had been working. Had plus been plus ing form of the verb as a volunteer in school. So this is past perfect continuous tense form of the verb. So dear students, I hope you have understood this chapter, this concept very well of the concept of past tense. So go through it, try to frame sentences in your own words, and for that you can remember the actions, remember the work which you have done yesterday, and then you can frame sentence that which work you have done yesterday, which you had completed yesterday, and taking those examples you can frame sentences in past tense. So that's all, students. Thank you very much for watching and listening, but I want you all to try to frame sentences in past tense, and I know you will frame it and you will go through the chapter very well. Thank you.